Welcome to English Listening Journey. Have you ever wondered why some people can speak English easily while others struggle? You might think it's because they are smarter or have a special talent. But the truth is, speaking English is much easier than you think. In this video, I will show you why talking English is simple and how you can make it feel natural for you, too. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident and ready to speak English without fear. Why do people think English is hard? Many English learners believe that English is difficult because they focus too much on grammar rules, big words, and perfect pronunciation. But let me ask you this. When you speak your native language, do you think about grammar all the time? Do you stop to translate every word in your head? No. You just speak naturally. The reason why English feels difficult is because you are trying too hard to be perfect. But speaking a language is not about being perfect. It's about communicating. If you can understand and make others understand you, then you are already successful in speaking English. The secret to speaking English easily. So what is the secret? The secret is to make English part of your daily life and practice it in a natural way. Here's how. 1. Think in English. Stop translating words in your head. Instead, try to think in English directly. When you see a car, say car in your mind instead of translating it from your native language. 2. Use simple sentences. You don't need big, complicated words to speak English well. Speak in short, clear sentences. Instead of saying, I am experiencing a significant amount of joy today, just say, I'm really happy today. 3. Listen more. Speak more. The more you listen, the easier it will be to speak. Listen to English podcasts, watch English videos, and try to repeat what you hear. 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. No one speaks perfectly in the beginning. The most important thing is to keep speaking. 5. Practice with yourself. If you don't have someone to practice with, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing, how you feel, or what you see around you. A simple exercise to speak English easily. Let's do a quick exercise together. Right now, look around you and describe what you see in English. For example, I see a table. The table is brown. There is a book on the table. Outside the window, I see trees. The trees are green. By doing this simple practice every day, you will start thinking in English naturally, and speaking will become easier for you. Real-life examples of people who learned English easily. Let me share a quick story with you. I once met a man who learned English in just 6 months. How did he do it? He didn't memorize long lists of vocabulary or study difficult grammar books. Instead, he spoke English every day. He talked to people, listened to English music, and watched English movies without subtitles. He made mistakes, but he didn't let that stop him. And in just 6 months, he was speaking English fluently. Another example is a woman who improved her English just by watching English TV shows. She didn't focus on every word she didn't understand. Instead, she just listened and tried to repeat what she heard. Over time, her pronunciation and confidence improved naturally. These stories show that learning English doesn't have to be difficult. You just need to surround yourself with English and use it as much as possible. Overcoming fear and speaking with confidence. Many people are afraid to speak English because they fear making mistakes. But let me tell you something. Native English speakers also make mistakes. The difference is they don't worry about it. They just keep talking. If you feel nervous, try these tips. Speak slowly. You don't need to rush. Focus on communication, not perfection. Smile. It makes you feel more confident. If you forget a word, try to explain it in a different way. Remember, the person you are talking to wants to understand you, not judge you. Talking English is easy when you change the way you think about it. You don't need perfect grammar, a big vocabulary, or a special talent. All you need is practice, confidence, and the right mindset. Start thinking in English, listen more, speak more, and don't be afraid of mistakes. If you do this, you will see that English is much easier than you thought. So, are you ready to make English a natural part of your life? Let me know in the comments what you will do today to practice English. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.